How to be able to receive direct message on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to be able to receive your direct message on TikTok. So first thing, go to your TikTok application. Now tap on those three buttons up there. Click on setting and privacy. Now you have a lot of options. Click on report a problem. Now go to the bond and tap on direct message. Now click on enable to receive direct message and click on no. Now click on need more help. Now all you need to do is tap your problem and click on report. So this is it guys. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.